So let's today we have to continue the same topic is electronics. As I said, we are going to discuss a few questions which are very important for objective exams. Yesterday we have discussed some questions. We come to the continuation today. Yes, here I have given one question related to Zener diode, circuit related only. So you can see a Zener diode having breakdown voltage equal to 15 volts is used in voltage regulator circuit. Current through diode is what they are asking, current. So when comes to Zener diode, we need to discuss one important point is here Zener diode. See, what is the importance of this particular lesson is 50% is circuit related or any logic gates related question. Remaining 50% is probably the question related to theory type question also. There is a probability we have theory type question also. So theoretical knowledge is very important from this topic. So about this Zener diode. Zener diode is always working under reverse bias condition, as you know. Here we have two types of breakdowns which are very important. What are the two types of breakdowns here? One is Zener breakdown, second one is avalanche breakdown. Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Here the doping concentration is maximum in Zener breakdown. In avalanche breakdown the doping concentration is normal. Okay, so at Zener the intensity of electric field is normal. Here the potential barrier or the intensity of electric field is very high electric field. Which one? Avalanche breakdown. So these are the very important points regarding Zener diode. One is Zener breakdown, second one is avalanche breakdown. Understand? Where the doping concentration is maximum? In Zener. Where intensity of electric field is maximum? In avalanche breakdown. Okay, fine. So when comes to breakdown, so generally what is the main importance of the Zener diode is, the Zener diode is generally used to regulate fluctuations in voltage. As you have an idea, these Zener diode generally prefer for regulating the voltages. Okay, here also it is working as a voltage regulator. What they are asking, current through diode. So here we have the formula, total current I is equals to IZ plus I dash. It is a basic idea in the circuit. Total current I is equals to IZ plus I dash. IZ means current through Zener. I dash is what? The external part, what we have, the resistance. Yes. So I dash is equals to what do you want? IZ. IZ is equals to I minus I dash. IZ is equals to I minus I dash. So what I have to find out? I comma I dash. So one by one I will find out. So what it is, 250 ohms resistor which is connected externally. It is 1 kilo ohm which is connected after this Zener. So now what is current through 1 kilo ohm resistor? Current through 1 kilo ohm resistor, that is equals to I dash. So I dash is equals to, as you know the formula, V by R. So what is here, what the potential drop is there, the same potential drop here also. Yes. So what it is, potential drop is given 15 volts. 15 volts potential drop is given 15 volts by R value is 1 kilo ohm. It is nothing but 10 cube. That is equals to I can write it is 15 into 10 power minus 3 milliamps. What is the current I have found here? I dash is equals to 15 milliamps. Then what I have to find out? I have I dash value. Now I want to find out I. I is nothing but what? Initially it is I. So I is current through I is current through 250 ohms. Current through 250 ohms. So what is the current through 250 ohms means? See, what is the input voltage? 20. Here how much is breakdown? 15. So what is the net potential? 5. So I is equals to net potential 5 by what is the resistance is 250. Understand? So what is the input potential difference is given that 20 volts. Zener breakdown is how much? How much it is given? 15 volts. So that what is the net potential difference here we have? That is 5. 5 by 250. So on simplification it is 5 ones, 5 fives, 50, that is 0.02. I can write it as 20 milliamps. 20 milliamps. This is what I value. So I value is equals to 20 milliamps. I dash is equals to 15 milliamps. What I need? As per the question, IZ. What is IZ? Current through Zener diode. So I minus I dash. So IZ is equals to I. I is how much? 20 minus I dash 15. So IZ is equals to 20 minus 15, 5 milliamps. It is your answer. So what is your answer is 5 milliamperes. Same model question you can see in previous NEET and previous GWE so many times. It's very expected question in NEET and JEE. Circuit related we have only two options. Either it is related to Zener diode or it might be related to sometimes that is only resistor or diodes in forward bias and reverse bias. Diode generally they are connected in a circuits forward and reverse. How to simplify such type of a circuits? The thing is you first observe whether they mentioned the diode is ideal or not. Once the diode is ideal, you can consider only forward biased diode only. You can neglect reverse biased diode. Why? Because when the diode is connected in a circuit in a forward bias, you can consider. Why? Because there will be a flow of current. Once it is considered in a reverse bias, then what will happen? The current through diode is 0. Understand? Why? Because ideal diode means the diode which offers 0 resistance in forward bias. The diode which offers 0 resistance in forward bias, infinity resistance in reverse bias. So that clearly you can understand in reverse bias condition the diode we can neglect. Understand? Yes. So in such a case I will give you one example, then easily you can understand. Just you can note it down the first question. The second model about these combinations, what I said, I will give you one model question, then easily you can understand. Yes, here one circuit is given. I will draw the circuit. One circuit is given. In that circuit, what are the components which are given? See, same circuit, one resistor which is contain 2 ohm, and here we have one diode. Here it is one diode, yes, which is connected to another resistor of 3 ohms, which is initially at a potential difference of 10 ohms, potential difference of 10 volts, and one more is diode connected parallelly, that parallelly which is the diode is connected parallelly. Yes, here also there is a resistance. Yes, this is the question. The resistance is 2 ohms. Resistance is 2 ohms. Okay, right? So now my question is what? The given circuit has 2 ideal diodes. Point to be understand. 2 ideal diodes. Then connected in shown in figure, the current through the resistance R1 will be, yes. So what is the current through the 2 ohm resistor? So what we have to find out? See, what is the current flowing through this is, we have to find out. So just I said what? in such a case, we need to understand first diode classification. This is the positive terminal. This is positive terminal which is connected to here. Positive terminal connected to negative terminal of a battery. Diode is unidimensional, unidirectional. Means diode can offer flow in only one direction only. Okay, so here it is negative terminal. It is positive terminal. So what is this biasing? Reverse bias. When come to this positive terminal is connected to positive, here it is positive. So that there is no flow of current through this diode. So this diode does not offers any current. So this circuit we can neglect. This circuit element we can neglect. Only the resultant circuit will come this only. So what is total, what I want to find out, current I. Current I is equals to, what is the total potential difference offered here? 10. Then this 2 ohm resistor connected like this, yes, and to end combination. So this 2 ohms plus 2 ohms. Series or parallel? Series combination. 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. 10 by 4, that is equals to 2.5 amperes. This is your answer. 2.5 ampere is the answer. Okay, yes. In such a way, we have to simplify circuit related questions. Only the logic is ideal diodes, forward bias and reverse bias. The rest of simplification is as usual what we have followed in current electricity. Understand? Why? Because 3 only very standard question in electronics: circuit simplification, logic gate simplification, and theoretical type question. So one model is completed. I hope you could understand how to solve the circuits in electronics, okay, related to diode. Yesterday I have explained about LED working. So that is also related to circuit simplification. Okay, right? Yes, we come to next model, digital electronics. Digital electronics means you can see in any JEE exam, this model question is compulsory. JEE means 50% is this question, or remaining 50% is circuit related question. So what is digital electronics? Some introduction I will try to give because it's very important, few points only. And one more thing, you cannot get these points in any other books. It is something difficult to find out. So I will try to write here. In digital electronics, actually we have basic gates, AND gate, OR gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NAND gate. Okay, so these are the basic gates. And reverse opposite gate is what? NOT gate. Okay, next we have universal gates like NAND and NOR gate, and exclusive gates also we have, that is XOR gate. Okay, so these are the different types of gates we have, right? The basic idea we have about the basic gates. What is AND gate operation? If A comma B, 2 inputs in AND gate, what is output? A into B, A dot B. Next, OR gate. OR gate means what? A comma B, 2 inputs. What is the output is A plus B. We have an idea. But here, the important thing is what? In especially OR gate and AND gate, OR and AND. Some applications we have to use, better later I will explain. First I will complete this question, then I have the space to explain, right? About these logic gates, how to determine the path of this particular wave. You know that wave means this is the wave generally. In wave motion it is maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum. It is a general representation of a wave. Understand? If I take one pulse like this, it is maximum displacement, minimum displacement. We know. So in that particular case, in electronics, what is this representation of digital electronics is, while amplifying. Amplifying is what, ma? The strengthening the signal. We are developing the signal. So what are the ways we have? Yes, either increase or decrease. So for example, Here I am taking a graph, I graph. Just I am starting from here. Up to here I came. What is my initial value? 0. So still I am going the same. So that it is potential V. So I am observing the change in potential with respect to time. Is there any change in potential with respect to time? No change. So up to here, what it is, same value is continue. What it is initial? 0. Up to here also 0 only. So what it is meaning? 0. At a particular time, for example 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 seconds. These are the time intervals. Up to first second, what is V? 0 only. Yes. Now there is a rising. Rising. So now it is rising. Rising means what? It has some value. Let it be take some 1 volt. So the next second, it is continue the same. Is continue the same means what is the meaning? See, from 0 to here, there is no growth in voltage. When time is goes on. So this total, this period is representing only 0. This is 1 unit. 1 unit change. Next second, when come to the second second, same is continuing. Means here what is the value? 1. So up to here also this value is what? 1 only. There is no change. Understand? So that this gap I can take it as a 1. So even though it is rising, so here only it is 1. This gap is representing same. Still it is no change. I can take it as 1 only. This is 1 only. It is 0. Once the value is getting down, means what happen again? It comes to 0. Means again it is continue up to here. Then this value is 0. Means what? Rising, falling. Once it is maintaining steady value, same rising value. Why? Because already it is raised. Up to here it is rising only. So this total value is high amplitude, high value, high potential. When it comes down, here what again? 0. Up to what values it is going? Zeros only. Okay, now I will give the example. Yes. If this is one curve, this is one pulse of voltage, then it is what? Initially always 0. So here to here 0. Rising. So this is rising value or not? So this is what? 1. Why? Because raised value. Again getting down. So this value is what? 0. See, instead of giving digits, what digits we have in a binary system? 0 and 1. The total logic gates and total operations related to this digital electronics is depends upon only 0 and 1. General way is what? For example, if I take AND gate. AND gate means what? A, B inputs. Let it be take Y is output. Generally what I am taking? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0. AND gate means what? A dot B like this. So what will happen? 0, 0, 0, 1. Means these are the inputs, this is output. So instead of these, we are making one curve. Understand? So how can I give see that? 0, 0. 0, 0 means, see, it is starting 1, 0, 0 like this. This is also 0, this is also 0. Okay, A comma B na? Yes, A comma B means A 0, B also 0. Next, 0, 1. This is 0. Next, what can I take? From here to like this. Yes, it is 1. This is 0, this is 1. 0, 0. Instead of giving these values, we are making what? These curves. Hope you understand. 1, 0. 1, 0 means this is 1, this is 0. 1, 0. 1, 1 means this is 1, 1. Okay. So, by this, we can find out outputs. Same formula. What formula? Operations are same. AND gate, OR gate. Means what we are doing here, we are converting 0, 1 in the form of a curves. That is what idea. Okay. For example, I will tell you one more thing. One example. This is one curve. This is another curve. Tell me the values. These two are the inputs. How inputs? See, initially 0. This is what? 0. Rising value means this value is what? Rising value, no? 1. Again it is what? Getting down. 0. It is rising value, no? Yes, this gap is what? 1. It is falling value. This means what? 0. See, starting what? High. High. 1. Getting down. This is what? 0. Again high. 1. Getting down. 0. High. 1. Getting down. 0. Let it be take some A, B. Now I have inputs A and B. A 0, B 0, 1 0. Third also they only will give. Let it be take some one circuit like this. Some 0, 1 0, 1, 0 1, something will give. We have to identify which is related to which gate, which operation takes place. Inputs, output. By help of operations, we have to find out the things. Okay, students, hope you understand. This case you might get one doubt. Here starting 0, no sir. Here starting how you taken 1 based on the next pulse. This pulse is getting down means compulsory it is a high, no. Once I am starting from here, the curve goes like this means it is compulsory 0, no. It is a common idea. It is a basic idea. Yes. So that beside one question I have given for JEE, which is very important. You can see it is a previous year question only. How to solve this type of question? By seeing this, something you feel difficult, but in fraction of second you can get answer. This is the easiness of these logic gates, digital electronics. Okay, see, it is A in input, B input, C is what? Output. Why? Because 2 inputs, 1 output. By help of the values, you have to find out the gate related to which. The operation involved in the logic gate is dash. A input, B input, C output. 3 curves given. First, A started here, rising. Same value repeated. 2 rises, here also rising. And falling. Same falling value continue. Again rising, rising, falling, and in same manner, same value, until get the next pulse. I don't know whether it is a lower value or higher value. Once it is rising up means it is lower value. So it is rising, same continue up to 2 units, again falling, same value, fall, continue, again rising, stops. It is input. Next, yes, same rising means 0, same value continue, down falling, again continue, rising, up to rising. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. You can assume these are strength of a signals. This is a signal actually. Strength of a signal you can consider. So yes, now you can see as I wrote the answer also there. First A values only you observe. A value first it is what? 0. You can see here 0. At what? 0 to T1. It is initially what it is? 0. T1, T2, 3T. First to second, third second, fourth second, like that. Okay. So 0 to T1. 0 to T1 here what is them? 0. Okay. So B also 0. C also 0. 0, 0, 0. A, B, C values. Next. Second interval I came. Rising. What rising? A value. So A value 1. B value same is repeated. Here what? 0. Same only repeated now. Up to T2 also. Yes. So B value 0. C value again raised. So C value 1. Next. Third interval I came. Third interval already here what it is? High value. Same value continue. So A value 1. See. A value 1. Next to B value, high value repeated 1. Okay. C value, high value repeated 1. So I will better note it like this. First is completed, second is completed, third also completed. You can see fourth. Fourth means where it is 1, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Now we are in 4. Yes, here we have. See here what happened. Falling means it is A0. Fourth A0. B, high is continue. This is high na? High continue. High continue means 1. B1. C also high continue. 1. 1. So 0, 1, 1, 1. See fourth one, fifth one. Fifth one, see that. This is what? Lower value. Lower value. Lower value. This is low, this is low, this is low. So all 0, 0, 0. Next, T56. This is T56. Upper value 1, lower value 0, upper value 1. 1, 0, 1. The last one is greater than 6. Means what? Here it is. It is lower value, upper value, upper value 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. Okay? Yes, now the signal we turn it into digits. A comma B inputs. 0, 0, output 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1. See, there is a common logic you can find out whether it is AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate. Basic gates first we try. When two inputs are low, output is low. Any one is high, any one is high, output is high. See, any one is high, output is high. Any one is high, output high means which gate it is? AND gate or OR gate? Y is equals to A plus B. Y is equals to A plus B. Which gate it is? OR gate. So what is the answer of this given circuit is? OR gate. Okay. So you can practice this type of questions 1 or 2. Then automatically you will get good clarity about these questions. JEE means compulsory model. Even NEET also we can expect. So this is the main important question in this digital electronics. Okay, hope you understand, right? We will discuss 2 more simplification of circuits. Yes, you can note it down. I will write one more question. This model I cannot take. Why? Because it is time consuming question. One more simple question I will take. How to simplify the circuits. Recently 2020 JEE one question they asked. Which of the following gives reversible operation? Which of the following gives? Which of the following gives? Which of the following gives reversible operation? Which of the following gives reversible operation? 4 given. First one is, this is one gate is given. Second option is, second option also same like this, which is something a small variation comes. Third one is AND gate is given. Third one is AND gate. Yes. Fourth option is given that, which is something different circuit. Yes. Yes. See that. What is your answer? 4 different circuits given. What we have to find out is which gives reversible operation. Reversible operation. So what is meant by reversible operation? Here what we have to see that things which are very important about these logic gates. Okay. Reversible operation. Generally NOT gate represents as a reversible operation. Is there any NOT gate? What is the first one is? Actually it is OR gate. Here not symbol is there, so it is an OR gate. This is what? It is pure NOR gate. This is what? AND gate. It is a basic idea. But here what? This is something different. What it is, ma? It is a NOR gate. It is a NOR. It is what? OR gate. It is what? AND gate. Then what it is? What it is? It's very important thing. Generally we cannot get this information anywhere. Whenever this is general representation for a NOR gate, these are the two inputs, and this is general representation for the NAND gate. These are the two inputs. Observe very carefully. Actually, this operation is what? NOR plus NOT. Sorry, R plus NOT. It is what? AND plus. This symbol is represents what? NOT. So this gate generally what I am calling, this gate is generally NOR, NOR gate. It is a NOR gate. So you know what is the operation for the NOR gate is? NOR gate operation is generally what? Actually OR gate is what? A dot B, A plus B, A plus B. When it is negative, so bar, A plus B, bar. When come to this NAND gate, NAND gate means what? NAND gate, not plus AND. AND means what? A dot B, which is negative, bar. A dot B, whole bar. Fine. Yes. Now what I am modifying here, which is very important, just if these two are connected together, these two inputs are together connected, means now what are the inputs? Only one input. Now what are the inputs? Only one input. When two inputs in this, which gate? NOR gate or in NAND gate, what will happen? The gate becomes converted into a reversible gate. That gate is what? Now this gate is become NOT gate. This is what? NOT gate. This become NOT gate. This operation become NOT gate. Two inputs become one input. One input, one output is only possible in where? Reversible gate, which is called NOT gate. So that here what is your answer? Which is related to first this is only na? Yes. So your answer is what? This gate. What that case? Which of the following gives reversible operation? This is actually what? Before it is an OR gate only, but when two inputs are joined, now it is call it as a NOT gate. This call it as a NOT gate. Understand? Yes. This is what? The basic idea about conversion. What it is not a conversion, the modifying of a gates NOR and NAND. At the same time, we need to discuss one more point is, in such a case, this NOT gate, okay, yes, this NOT gate, when it is connected to NOR, what will happen? This NOT gate connected to NAND gate, what will happen? Which is very important. See, one NOT gate plus NOR. Here NOR, already one NOT is there. Again we are adding one NOT gate. So one NOT gate is adding to NOR gate, it will use you OR gate. So here NOR, one NOT will be there. Here already we are adding one NOT gate. So two negatives will cancel. Remaining what we have? OR gate. It is the way you can remember, which is very important. NOT plus NAND. NAND means what ma? NOT plus AND. NOT plus AND. Here already we are adding again NOT gate. NOT will cancel. There is a method to verify this. It is a waste of time. We have De Morgan principles. By help of the De Morgan principles, I can prove it. But simply we can remember NOT plus NOR R. How? What is the logic? NOR is NOT plus R. Again NOT. NOT cancel, remains R. NOT plus NAND. not, NAND means what? Not plus end. So not cancel, what is remaining is end. Remaining is end. In particular case, two NOT gates if I add, two NOT plus NOR, opposite gate will come, this gate will is AND gate. When you are adding two NOT gates, here if I take two NOT gates plus NAND gate, it will gives you here and no, what is OR gate will come. This is what situation. In a general way OR gate, in a general way AND gate. When two NOT gates are added, to whom? To NAND gate, OR gate will come. Two NOT gates for NOR gate, AND gate will come. Before what I said, for NOR gate, two inputs are joined. What came? NOT gate. For NAND gate, two inputs are joined. NOT gate come. Again, how can we get the back gates means? This is the procedure we have to follow. Okay, next. Especially for OR gate and AND gate, we have some formulas. As I discussed earlier, once again I will write here. Yes. For okay, OR gate and for OR gate, for OR gate and AND gate, for OR and AND, general operations is what? A plus 0, A plus 1, A plus A plus A dash. Okay, so A1, A1. Same A0, A1, A dash. 0, A 0. If you have it is fine, or else you can write OR operation and operation. A plus 0 A plus 1 1, A plus A plus A dash 1. And A dot 0 0, A dot 1 A dot A dot A dash is 0. What is the common thing here? This is common in both the gates. A plus A is equals to A dot A is equals to A. One more important operations we must use to simplify some circuits. What is the operation is? De Morgan rules, which are called De Morgan rules. De Morgan laws. What is the De Morgan laws? For example, A dash whole dash is equals to A in mathematics. Reverse gate. So here also A bar whole bar is equals to A. A bar means what? Not gate representation. Whole bar is what? A. And one more thing is A bar plus B bar whole bar is equals to, okay, first A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar dot B bar. This is the first rule in De Morgan rules. A dot B whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. It is second rule. A bar plus B bar whole bar is equals to A dot B. A bar plus B bar whole bar is equals to A plus B. So see that these are the rules, De Morgan rules, where we can use this type of rules. Just I will give you one question, then easily you can understand at what situations we can use these rules. This is very familiar question. Everybody knows, I think. Just you can note it down. Right. I will give you one question, then easily you can understand where we can use this type of formulas. So it is which are very important and standard questions. These are. Yes, there will be a gate, that is NAND gate. Just have explained about this. Two gates together, sorry, two inputs together joined. It is Y is output. Yes, there are two inputs here, A comma B. It is A comma B. whenever you have this type of questions, how to simplify? Observe very carefully. Simple, by help of De Morgan principles, which is very easy. Or you may have one general method by giving a1. Again, what the values we have? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. By giving input values, you will get one output, 1 1 1 something. Then you can trace out this gate is related to which. That is also one method only. But here what my method is, very easiest method to solve this type of logic circuits. See first, this is a comma b. Here it is what? It is AND plus it is not. NAND gate. NAND gate. NAND gate means what ma here? A dot b. A dot b is AND. Again not symbol is there, no? Whole bar will come, na? A dot b. First one is equals to, sorry, first one is NOR gate only given. I only drawn something mistake. Yes. First one is NOR gate is given. First one is NOR gate. NOR gate means here I can write NOR. Second one actually it is what? NAND gate only. For NAND gate, two inputs are locked. Means what it is I said just before, NOT gate. This is also what? Generally it is a NOT gate. Understand? Yes. So that NOR gate. NOR gate means what? Generally OR gate means A plus B. Again not whole bar. This is again not. Not means what? Already it is what input? A plus B whole bar. Means A plus B whole bar bar. Double bar. Why? Because already it is input now. Again what it is get? Not get. Not get means what? Again one bar will come. So A plus B whole bar. As per this formula what? Same. What is that? A plus B. A plus B. Again not. Again not means what I have to put? Bar. A plus B whole bar. Okay. Yes. A plus